It's literally a sweatpant leg. I hope the lighting sucks. It's not gonna get any better. Right, this is just like a pant leg, and it has a finished edge. It's a sweatsuit pant leg, a sweat, whatever. And I'm basically going to take it, put it on my arm. I need it to go up about here on my arm, so I'm gonna mark it. I always mark it with my pens because I never know where my pencils are. So it's going to stop about right here. Or is it? No, it's not. It's gonna stop around here because hers stopped before she hits her elbow. So bend your elbow. It's right here. I'm gonna stop right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and fit it to my arm here with. Alright, got the 2 wristbands. Now I'm gonna make the collar, and I'm making it out of this leather.
You fancy, huh? You fancy, huh?
I'm gonna have to put Velcro on it though. So I'm done with the sewing machine. Collar's just gonna be cut and Velcroed. A leather collar. So you wrap that around and attach, and it's your collar. And then your armbands and your outfit. So I think what I'm gonna just use to expedite this is this tan scarf that I have. The one last thing I'm gonna have to do is repair my sword from animazement from my when I tried to make a sword. So I mean, essentially I could just use it like this, but I kind of want to clean it up so that it's better in the pictures. You will see me remaking fans out of the same material for my remake katana outfit, so I'm gonna be doing that soon. That video will probably come out after Halloween though, because I have to wear it, the outfit. So basically I just taped up this. I could also go back and paint it, but I don't feel like doing all that. I also taped this here. This sword's seen better days. Let's just go with that. But I will be doing a video how to make katanas fans. I think that would be interesting to do, especially since I did it before, but it didn't really turn out how I wanted to because I had no time. So this time I'm just really focusing on the sword since I already have her outfit made pretty much. I'm gonna redo the armbands, but her outfit's pretty much made for my Halloween costume. So, but right now I'm transforming into a character of Inuyasha. So there's the sword. I taped up the handle so it can be a little bit, you know, better. And I'm done. That's it. So next time you see me, you'll see me in an outfit. Bye. Anywho, if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I'm going to be pushing out more consistent stuff, you know. Definitely check back with me for another awesome video. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do something with dressing up, because we like to transform over here. So you'll probably see another transformation video next, so catch me on my next video. Bye. What?
Mommy finger, where?
Oh, excuse my boo. I think it's going to continue the same. Bye.